No time to cook. Don't worry, all you need is a blender. In this video, I'll show you 5 healthy high-energy recipes you can make using just a blender. No cooking, no cleanup, nightmare. Just quick, clean fuel that supports your energy, digestion, and focus. Perfect for busy mornings, post-workout meals, or late-night cravings. I've tested these myself for over a year. And the best part? They all take under 3 minutes to make. Let's dive into the first one. Recipe number 1. The Wake Up Smoothie. This is my go-to for mornings when I need clean energy without the caffeine crash. Here's what you need. 1 cup unsweetened almond milk, 1 frozen banana, 1 scoop vanilla whey or collagen protein, 1 tablespoon almond butter, 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon, a few ice cubes, blend it for 30 seconds. Creamy, satisfying, and keeps you full till lunch. Want to try the exact protein I use? I linked it in the description below. Clean ingredients. No weird aftertaste. Recipe number 2. Green Detox Blend. Don't worry. This isn't one of those bitter, chalky green drinks. Here's the formula. 1 cup cold water, 1 handful spinach, 1/2 green apple, 1/2 cucumber juice of 1/2 lemon, 1/2 avocado, 1 scoop greens, powder, or spirulina ice cubes. This one boosts digestion and hydrates like crazy. It's perfect after a night of poor sleep or eating out. I use a greens powder that dose in tea tastes like dirt. Check the description if you want my pick. Recipe number 3. High protein chocolate smoothie bowl. Sometimes you want something thicker, something you can eat with a spoon. That's where this comes in. 1 cup oat milk, 1 frozen banana, 1 scoop chocolate, protein powder, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1/2 tablespoon cocoa powder, pinch of sea salt, blend until thick, pour into a bowl. Top with sliced almonds, coconut flakes, or berries. Great for post-workout or dessert without the guilt. If this is helping already, hit the like button, so I know to make more recipes like these. Recipe number 4. Anti-Inflammation Golden Blend. This one is soothing, warm, and loaded with anti-inflammatory ingredients. 1 cup warm almond milk, 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 pinch. Black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon. Cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon. Ginger powder, 1 scoop. Collagen, or MCT powder, blend gently for 20 to 30 seconds. Don't overmix when hot. This one's perfect before bed, after training, or on a cold day. Recipe number 5. Peanut Butter Banana Recovery Shake. This one feels like a cheat meal, but it's actually packed with recovery nutrients. 1 cup milk of choice, 1 frozen banana, 2 tablespoons, peanut butter, 1 scoop, vanilla or chocolate protein, dash of cinnamon optional, handful of oats for extra carbs. Blend it up, and you've got the ultimate comfort recovery smoothie. Let's recap the 5 blender-only recipes. 1. Morning Wake Up. 2. Green Detox. 3. Protein Bowl. 4. Anti-Inflammation Blend. 5. Recovery Shake. If you want to download all 5 recipes in one place, I've created a free PDF. The link is in the description. And if you're looking for a blender that dose and tea sound like a lawnmower or take up half your counter, I linked the one I personally use. Durable, powerful, and under $100. All the proteins, powders, and ingredients I mentioned are listed below as well. Tested, clean, and easy to order. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more healthy content that fits real life, not just Instagram. Thanks for watching, and let me know in the comments which one you're trying first.